When filleting a common carp, first position it upside down. Secure the head by placing your thumb in its mouth while grasping the gills. Then take your knife and rake some scales off just behind the gills. In this cleared area, slice straight down until you hit the spine. Next, angle the tip of the blade flat in this location and begin cutting along the spine down towards the tail. Once the knife reaches the tail area and is clear of the stomach, stab the blade straight through in this manner. Then continue slicing, freeing up the meat from the tail. Return the knife tip to its original location and repeat this technique, filleting the meat away from the spinal bones. Use your thumb to help pull away the fillet as you go along. Once you get to the shallow meat at the rib cage, cut the fillet off in this manner. Repeat this on the other side. Now take one of the fillets and clamp it on a cleaning board. Keeping the knife fairly flat, slice the meat away from the skin as seen here. Now take the fillet and flip it where the previously skinned side faces up. This step is totally optional, but you might want to cut and trim away any undesirable flesh such as residual skin or red meat. I like to take the time to do this because I think it improves the flavor of the finished product. Keeping the fillet in this position, start the scoring process by making thin slices in this manner. By doing this, you are cutting through the Y bones located mainly in the tail and the dorsal side of the fillet. This will make them smaller so they cook out during the frying process. You should be able to feel the bones as you slice through them. On bigger fish, like this one, you can even hear when the knife goes through them. Once through the bones, try to keep from slicing the fillet all the way through. You want some flesh holding it together. Cut the fillet into desired size pieces and place in a Ziploc bag. Make a brine of salt water to pour in this bag. I like to use Old Bay seasoning in the place of salt. Making sure the air is out of the bag and it's well sealed. Shake thoroughly until the seasoning has dissolved. Next, place in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Next day, use a colander to drain the fish and rinse with cold water. Prepare the pieces by stretching them out on a plate. Then take your favorite breading mix and cover the pieces well. Take your time working the breading mix into the slits using your fingers. Then flip them over and cover the other side. Bring the oil temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and fry for 3 to 5 minutes. The bones will be cooked out and the fillets will be ready to eat.